I'm going to show you what can be done in your user profile. That's this circle icon in the top right. This is where you can change your email, you can change your password, you can choose which notifications you have, and you can also download the app. It's also, if you're managing multiple businesses, where you can choose between the different businesses. You have 6 main categories, and we're going to go through them one by one. So the first one is your profile. This is obviously where you can change your name and position, but you can also add a profile picture. This profile picture, as well as the display name and position, will be visible on the live chat on your website when customers communicate with you. This contact name and number is how we contact you. So this name and this number are not public. This will be saved as soon as you click Update Profile, and you can see our new profile picture there. If we go into Security next, so here you can change your email address by entering your password and typing in your new address and then pressing Update Email. You can change your password by entering your current password and then choosing your new password. And once again, just pressing Update Password. You can choose, for security reasons, how long the software will leave it before timing out and requiring you to log in again. This can be as low as 30 minutes or as long as 7 days. You then have a 2-factor authentication option for an added layer of security, and you just need to type in the relevant mobile number there. Now for notifications, you can choose the events that you'd like to be notified of and then just click Update Notifications. They're simple on and off switches. You can also turn on push notifications, which will give you instant updates when these events occur. They are, however, not supported on iPads and iPhones. We have email notifications, which will notify you at your chosen rate of all the events that have happened. So if you chose weekly, it would be all the events that happened in that last week, but we normally have it set to hourly. We also then have a link to download the apps, which will get instant notifications. You can also reach that page by going to this Apps menu. So now we're on to referrals. This is where you see the figures that we pay you for having referred other users to MotorDesk. There are also resources here to help you refer customers, such as a media kit, banners and screenshots, etc. We then have our referral terms, confirming that you'll receive 10% of all recurring membership plans and add-on fees for customers that you refer to us. We have the help section. This is where you have detailed documentation on how to set up and use MotorDesk, as well as video guides, such as the one you're watching. Finally, this is where we can log out of the software. We have this support section where you can ask a question and it will bring up the relevant guide or instructions. So if I want to find out how to set my opening hours, you can see there, it gives you various answers. These all link directly to the documentation and video guides.